How to stream screen on YouTube. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your YouTube application. Tap on this plus icon from your navigation. Go to live. Now, if you are eligible to use the YouTube live function, that means you will have to have enough subscriber for that. If you do, you will get an option of going live, and then once you are live, you will also get an option of sharing your screen. So that's how you do it. Since I do not have met the eligibility criteria, I am not eligible. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.